So I have this real template for you at my Teacherpreneur Tips Instagram account. You just need 4 photos and this post, which has the template inside it. And I have the link to it in the description of this video. So you want to tap on that link so it opens up like this. And then tap Template by Teacherpreneur Tips. Tap Use Template. Tap Add Media. And just insert photos from your camera roll. These mock-ups are actually Teacherpreneur Club mock-ups, so I have the link for that for members in the description of this video. But I'm just using some product photos from my camera roll. Then we'll go to next. And then the text gets really wonky here. I'm not sure why. You can either just drag and delete them and start from scratch, or you can tap and actually first let's make them smaller, because when they're bigger they can just really do crazy things. So I'm going to tap right here and just make some adjustments to my text. If I tap here below at the bottom, I can change it to different types of fonts. And then right here, this icon, you can do different styles. Then I can also change the color if I want to. Use the eyedropper and pick a color from my photo. I'm just going to adjust that. And let's take that second text and change it. Then I'm just going to delete that last text. And now I'm ready. I'm going to go to next and definitely edit cover, because it will just show the first frame, which may not be the best one, and you want the best one to show up in your profile. So I'm going to just pick one, and then the profile grid right here shows you how it will be centered in the square thumbnail overview of your profile, so definitely adjust that as well. Then I'm going to add a caption, tap OK, and then when I scroll down here I get advanced settings, so I definitely recommend that you can turn the like count and share count off if you want. And then also you could schedule this reel, and so you don't have to go ahead and post right then if you're not ready. So I'm going to go ahead and share. So that took me less than 5 minutes. So if you are ready to do this reel, just make sure to get the links for the template in the caption of this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reel templates like this one. And I actually have a reel templates playlist here on the screen for you if you would like to check them out and have more templates to post more reels. Hope to see you in the next video.